Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Casual Tile Triple Match. So if you don't know what this is, it is another one of those games where you can claim, you can earn money. So right off the bat guys, just going to say that please do not download this game in the hopes of making money, since it's more than likely a scam. So as you can see, no stress, just cash. So as you can see, you can earn money, for example $110 right here, you can cash out. So please guys, if this were true, this would be making headlines, this would be making news. And since it's not, I would bet my entire life that this is fake. As you can see, this is very misleading right here. They entice you with cash for a checkout. You can just claim, for example, just by playing the game. Since if it were true, how would they give you the money? Like where would they connect? So they claim that you can connect to your PayPal, so this is more than likely a scam. So please guys, do not download this game, but you can download this game if you want to play it. However, do not expect to make any money out of it. So and that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.